Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So take this paper and fold it from both its sides. First we're going to make the sword, so we're going to fold it and flip the paper. Let's make the handle now. So lift the paper like we're doing here in this video and look, it's ready. After this we're going to make the cover. So take another paper, roll it around the sword and look, it's ready. Look at this paper container and it has so many partitions. You can put different things inside. So we're going to fold the paper from the diagonals. Now lift it from the center part and make the triangular shape. Now flip it and again fold it from this portion. After this we're going to gently press it from the center part and then open it from the base. Look how we're doing here in this video and it is ready. You can also adjust it from the back side and look, it's done. Let's make paper boat. Here we are going to use the old newspaper. So fold it into half. Now again fold it from the top and bottom. Flip it. After this we're going to tuck the paper from the corners as you can see. Now fold it again and gently press it from the center and look, your paper boat is ready. Look at this paper container. Let's make it. You can put dry fruits inside. So we're going to take this paper, fold it from the diagonals. Now press it like this, flip the paper, and then we're going to make the box here. After making the box, we're going to make more such shapes. You can also press it from the top and give it this heart shape. Now we're going to put the paper at the center and it's done. So take this newspaper and fold it from the diagonals. After this we're going to fold it from the corner. We are going to fold it 2 times. Now flip it and again fold it from both its sides. Further we're going to fold it like this. Now we're going to gently press it and then we're going to pull the paper. We are making a boat here and look, it is ready. Here we're going to take this paper cup, cut the top and keep it aside. Now we're going to make multiple cut look like this. After this we're going to fold it and tuck it inside on the alternate cut look like this, how we are doing here. And look, the basket is ready. Put the handle, paste it on the sides and look, your baskets are ready. We're going to fold this pink color of paper from the diagonals, flip it and again fold it. First we're going to make the bag here. So make 2 such shapes. On one piece we are going to fold it and make 3 partitions look like this. Fold it and look, it's ready. On the other piece we are going to press it from all its 4 sides look like this. Now tuck both of them together from the top look like this and cover it from the sides as well and your bag is ready. After this we are going to take another piece of pink craft paper, fold it like this from the side and then paste it using double-sided tape. Now we are going to cover the bag from the top and then draw the eyes, put the tires and the handle as well and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.